8 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 5614.
Delta 503 on a tower, my 8 right, line up and wait. 8 right, line wait, Delta 5.
Left on November behind Southwest.
Romeo 3 cross 9 right. Left on November for Delta 56.
Stop 1378, taxi 5 at police. Take a look up 1378. Clear line 9 right, go forward. On a tower, my 8 right, line up and wait. Line up, wait, 8 right, 2365. Papa, and that's Southwest 5, Southwest 94.
Double 1376 to Papa Cross, coming down the left, on Lima .75.
Papa cross 9 right,
724 heavy, traffic 3 miles. As we approach in, crossing left, give way to 1717 from the left, taxi runway 8 right. Okay, clear to cross 8 left at hotel, hold short at 8 right, give way to the 717, FedEx 724 in. About 2238, give way to FedEx at hotel. Give way to FedEx at hotel, about 2238. FedEx 724, heavy, change to power frequency 125.32. 2532, FedEx 724. 85 heavy power, 1708, runway 8 left for land. That was 2690, exit effectively Bravo 11, taxi victory. Bravo 11, exit, got 2690. Been at the park today. 503. Delta 766 on Ambrani, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff. 8 right, clear for takeoff on Ambrani, Delta 766. Delta 1682, Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait. Delta 1682, line up and wait, runway right, 8 right. Tower Delta 1705, Bernie.
Up 1705, line of tower, 1807, coming down the right, middle lane.
Clear line, 9 Delta 1705.
7 on the widest, coming down with the mic, 2 tips, take off. So 1198, line of 7, on the flight to line up and wait. For delay for intro, station traffic will be downfield.
5130 at line of tower, 1809, coming down the right.
American 629 Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
Line up wait, 8 right, American 629.
Delta 1261, headed to park today. 1261, get it? American 25 next. That's 3301, give way to FedEx, that hotel.
Delta 1971, Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind the company.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus, Delta 1971.
Delta 2684 company in November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 2684, roger.
Delta 3514 at Papa Cross going on the left, going Lima, 0.75.
And Papa Cross 9 west, Lima, 0.75, there, 3514.
438, grab 2.5 out, cross going on the right, then turn left on November.
Cross 9 right, left on November, Delta 438.
Southwest 9012, turn left on November, hold for the Papa.
Left and over, hold for the Papa, Southwest 9012.
Coming down the left, going Lima, 0.75.
Cross 9 left on Lima, 0.75,
Delta 1971 at Papa Cross going down the left, going Lima, 0.75.
Cross 9 at Papa, join Lima, 0.75, 1971.
Delta 24,
right, Roger, 14 on a down lane, right, bottom away. Hey, right, bottom away, southwest 6 What is it?
On November, can hold short of Papa.
Okay, cross 9, here in Charlie, left on November, short of Papa, Delta 24.
8 right, clear for takeoff, southwest 6240. Jump 5 to 3 on a down lane, right.